From the Kolkata studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on the debate.
Arnab Goswami on the debate at 9. Presented by Greenply E0. Powered by General Air Conditioners and Star Health Insurance.
Good evening, dear viewers. I'd like to begin tonight by saying that it is time now to make a choice. Today, 24 COVID patients died in a hospital in Nashik because an accident led to the non-availability of oxygen. The important point to note is that they were all on oxygen support. The pictures are ghastly. Relatives standing next to their loved ones, seeing them gasp for breath in their last moments. And on the other hand, pictures coming north of the country tonight, where 20,000 and more adamant Andolan GVs, backed by urban Naxals, marching towards the national capital to create a super spreader event near the Delhi borders. And that at a time, viewers, when today oxygen suppliers have told the government that their supply lines are being blocked by these highway blocking Andolan GVs. I wouldn't even use the word protesters for them. People are dying in Delhi. And we are nearing the peak of this epidemic. My only question tonight is this: will Yogendra Yadav and people like him, take responsibility if this super spreader event which is happening in the name of a farmers' protest leads to a new wave, maybe a third, even bigger wave of COVID in Delhi and its adjoining areas? Will the Vadra Congress, which is instigating these Andolan GVs, take the slightest responsibility for contributing wholeheartedly to the spread of COVID? No, viewers, the Yogendra Yadav will not, the Vadra Congress will not. And since they won't, I appeal to all of you tonight. Organize yourself, viewers, to raise public opinion to a point where these selfish groups and political parties are forced to back off. Demand, viewers, that they back off in national interest. Don't hesitate, viewers. Don't pull back. Don't look the other way. Don't say this is someone else's responsibility to stop this super spreader event from becoming bigger and contributing to a third wave of COVID in the national capital. Viewers, block these people, stop these people, because our lives are now at stake. Our lives are now at stake. Ladies and gentlemen, I come to you with two debates tonight on one issue and one concern. And if I may say so, one battle of one people. And my first debate is, we have to stop the super spreader event like what's happening right now. We need oxygen. We don't need politics. We don't need these fake protests. That's our first debate tonight. And debate number 2 this evening. Remember, I told you yesterday, those hypocrites who used to abuse Covaxin, many of them went on to take the shot. But today it's been proven, and ICMR says that Covaxin effectively stops the double mutant strain as well. What will those cynics say now? Do they have an answer for me tonight? All this and more is coming up, and here are the headlines this Wednesday evening on the debate tonight. 24 lives lost in Nashik as the oxygen leak cuts off supply to the hospital. Trauma and tragedy in Nashik should be a wake-up call for India to fight COVID together. Andolan Jivis betray India's battle against COVID. We need to stop this super spreader march to Delhi. Delhi government fights with Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Republic says rise above oxygen politics. Covaxin now 100% effective against COVID double mutant virus. ICMR puts out the news. And as the Made in India jab scores another milestone, Covax cynics are stunned into silence again. The tragedy in Nashik. And the visuals from Nashik should shake the conscience of every Andolan Jivi and every politician who is using this massive health crisis for their own selfish interests. 24 people died as their relatives watched helplessly in Maharashtra. And on the other hand, Andolan Jivis, backed by the urban Naxals, 20,000 and more, are coming to create a huge super spreader event just on the Delhi borders. This should be a wake-up call for all of us to unite in the fight against COVID.
At around 12:30 p.m. at Dr. Zakir Hussain Hospital in Maharashtra's Nashik, a 13-kiloliter oxygen tank leaked. While the authorities rushed to control the situation in the compound, inside the hospital there was a battle to save lives. At least 24 families saw the lives of their loved ones being snuffed out in a matter of moments.
हमने देखा बाहर ब्लास्ट हुआ है, ऑक्सीजन का ब्लास्ट हुआ है, बाहर देखा हमने। हम जब अंदर गए तो मेरी दादी की डेथ हो चुकी थी और वही उसी वार्ड में और 6 पेशेंट थे, उनकी भी डेथ हो चुकी थी।
मेरी जो अम्मी है, नानी है, वो मेरे आंखों के सामने उसने दम तोड़ा क्योंकि उसको ऑक्सीजन मिला ही नहीं।
At a time when hospitals across India, and particularly in Maharashtra, are facing a severe crunch of oxygen cylinders, when helpless family members are witnessing deaths due to lack of oxygen, the Nashik oxygen leak tragedy has sent shockwaves across the country.
आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ से ये ग्लास सेंटर का लीकेज होने के कारण यहाँ पे बहुत सी गंभीर स्थिति हो चुकी थी। आप देख सकते हैं जिस तरह से यही गैस सिलेंडर था, जिस वजह से यहाँ पर अभी माना जा रहा है कि 25 से 30 लोग यहाँ पर डेथ हो चुकी है। यहाँ पर और भी प्रशासन की तरफ से और भी कुछ ज़्यादा स्थिति के अंदर बताया जा रहा है कि और भी यहाँ पर होने की संभावना है।
Meanwhile, 1,300 kilometers from Nashik, at the Tikri border on the outskirts of Delhi, at least 20,000 protesters are planning to converge, thus making it a potential COVID hotspot.
लगभग 20,000 ਤੋਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਦਾ ਇਕੱਠ, ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਕਾਫਲਾ ਜੋ ਖਨੌਰੀ ਬਾਰਡਰ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਜ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਟਿਕਰੀ ਬਾਰਡਰ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ।
So adamant are these Andolan Jivis that oxygen transport route has been blocked due to the protest.
अरे देखेंगे भाई, जो कुछ होगा वो भी देखेंगे, और जब अभी अस्पताल नहीं है तो जो कुछ होगा बस देख लेंगे, फिर यही अस्पताल बना लेंगे हम तो अपने इसमें।
लोग तो ये भी कह रहे हैं कि किसानों की जान की कीमत पर आप अपना आंदोलन आगे लेके बढ़ रहे हैं।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, हम आंदोलन खत्म नहीं करेंगे, ये सब सरकार का उनका मानना है ना, हम अपना आंदोलन खत्म नहीं करेंगे।
Forcing the police to create a green corridor to facilitate movement of oxygen tanker from Singhu border. These visuals from Nashik should be a wake-up call for those camping at Singhu and Tikri borders. At a time when India is battling the worst ever health crisis, Andolan GV's obstinance cannot be tolerated. Let's debate.
I'm first joined from Nashik by Alisha Nair, reporting on the tragedy there. Alisha, at the Dr. Zakir Hussain NMC Hospital in Nashik. Alisha, all those who lost their lives were all COVID patients, we are told. And they were all in a critical or semi-critical condition. They were really battling for their lives. Can you tell us what exactly happened there?
देखिए बिल्कुल अर्नब, जहाँ पर हमने देखा कि 12:30 बजे, आज दोपहर के 12:30 बजे जहाँ पर 13 किलो लीटर का ऑक्सीजन जो है वो इसी अस्पताल में लाया गया था। देखिए पहले बता दें कि डॉक्टर जाकिर हुसैन ये नासिक का म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन हॉस्पिटल है और यहाँ पर 13 किलो लीटर के जो ऑक्सीजन टैंक यहाँ पर लाया गया था। उस टैंक पर जहाँ भी इस अस्पताल के जो ऑक्सीजन जो छोटे रिफिल किए जाते हैं सिलेंडर्स को, उसको रिफिल किया जा रहा था, उस समय जो है वो लीकेज हुआ। सबसे अहम बात, ये जो हॉस्पिटल की हम तस्वीरें दिखा रहे हैं, जहाँ तक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की माने तो उन्होंने ये बताया कि इस हॉस्पिटल में सिर्फ और सिर्फ कोविड पेशेंट को भर्ती किया जा रहा है और यहाँ पर इम्पोर्टेंटली सिर्फ वेंटिलेटर्स, जिनको वेंटिलेटर्स की ज़रूरत है, यानी उस स्टेज के जो कोविड पेशेंट्स है जो कि सिम्टोमेटिक तो है ही, लेकिन उस हालात में जहाँ पर उनको अब वेंटिलेटर्स की ज़रूरत है, उसी इस हॉस्पिटल में यानी डॉक्टर जाकिर हुसैन अस्पताल में उनको भर्ती कराया जाता है। यानी यहाँ पर ऑक्सीजन की कमी जो है वो कहीं ना कहीं पर आज खली है और जो नेग्लिजेंस ज़रूर हमने देखा एक तरफ, और इस पर पूरी जांच महाराष्ट्र सरकार की ओर से ज़रूर की जाएगी। लेकिन इस पूरे हादसे में 24 लोगों की डेथ हो गई है। देखिए एक तरफ जहाँ लोग वहाँ पर जूझ रहे थे, एक तरफ वो वेंटिलेटर्स पर तो थे, लेकिन ऑक्सीजन की मांग को लेकर किए जा रहे थे। हालांकि पूरा प्रशासन जो है वो ऑक्सीजन टैंक के लीकेज को लेकर रिपेयर करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे। और जिस तरीके से राजेश टोपे जो कि महाराष्ट्र के हेल्थ मिनिस्टर है, उन्होंने ये बताया कि 25% ऑक्सीजन जो है उस टैंक से, यानी 13 किलो लीटर ऑक्सीजन टैंक्स में से 25% ऑक्सीजन जो है वो सिर्फ बचा पाए हैं, क्योंकि उस समय जो है रिपेयर किया जा रहा था। हालांकि सिचुएशन को तो कंट्रोल ला पाए, लेकिन अस्पताल की स्थिति जो है वो काफ़ी बिगड़ती गई। खास तौर पर पेशेंट्स की बात करें, जो वेंटिलेटर में थे उनको ऑक्सीजन की ज़रूरत थी, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं पर उन दम घुटने की वजह से 24 लोगों की जान चली गई।
So these were patients, viewers, who needed consistent oxygen supply. They were already fighting a difficult battle against COVID, and even a few minutes and hours of interrupted oxygen supply has proven deadly for their lives. They were on ventilator. You can imagine this. So contrast this situation. Alisha, thank you. Contrast this situation. And I'd like to welcome the panel, Gaurav Bhatia, Ramdas Athaule. Tonight, we have Atishi from the Aam Aadmi Party, Saurabh Shukla, Ishkaran Bhandari, Mamta Kale, Pankaj Sharma, Ketan Vaidya, Ravi Srivastava and Sujata Paul. Contrast this situation tonight, Atishi, with the pictures of 20,000 people marching to block the highways once again. 20,000 people who will block the roads, stop oxygen supply, 20,000 people who will create a super spreader event right on the edge of the national capital. 20,000 people, Atishi, who will possibly ensure that there will be a third wave of COVID hitting Delhi very soon. Just contrast these pictures. I know you've supported these. I know you've supported these people earlier. What would you say to them now?
Before we start asking about what would in the future stop the oxygen supply for Delhi, we should really be asking the question and discussing what is disrupting the oxygen supply of Delhi today. Why is it that as we speak, one of Delhi's biggest private hospitals has a hearing going on in the Delhi High Court. Why is it that St. Stephen's Hospital, one of the biggest hospitals in Delhi with over 300 COVID patients, was in a panic today because their oxygen supply was running out? Why is it that Manipal group of hospitals did not have oxygen? Because the Haryana Chief Minister sent his officers to all these oxygen supply plants all over Haryana and said no oxygen is to go from here to Delhi. He is on television saying, मैंने अफसर भेजे हैं, पहले हरियाणा को ऑक्सीजन मिलेगा, फिर कहीं और ऑक्सीजन मिलेगा. These hospitals were within hours of a situation where hundreds of patients could have died because there was no oxygen supply. Let BJP answer that question, that are they holding the rest of the country to ransom?
Right.
What kind of politics are they doing? Let anyone forget about what might happen in the future. What is happening today?
I'm not talking, first of all, I'm not talking about what might happen in the future. I would like to correct you. The suppliers of oxygen, Inox, has actually said clearly and in writing to the government of India that one of the reasons where their oxygen supply has been affected is because highways are being blocked. I feel, Atishi, you are trying to avoid the question. You need to answer the question. There are more than 20,000. Allow me. One minute. Atishi, allow me. One is not at the cost of the other. That point you're making on oxygen supply will be asked, but I'm asking you again. If 30,000 people and more congregate on the Tikri border, will it not lead to the third wave of COVID in Delhi? What can you do to stop them? You wield considerable influence. Look at the pictures. I want to show you the pictures. We are seeing a disastrous situation where Rakesh Tikait is walking here and he says, I don't care what was going to happen to the people of Delhi. Nobody can stop me. And it's true. Can I show the pictures full frame? 20,000 today, maybe 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 tomorrow. 1 lakh, 2 lakh people will sit at the Tikri border. There is absolutely no COVID protocol out there. They will endanger the lives of people in Delhi. You are an elected government in Delhi. You cannot dodge my question, Atishi, on that. Please answer. What are you doing to stop these people?
Arnab, I would like to reach out to all people across this country, be it in any political rallies, be it in any kind of congregations, that this is not the time to have any large congregations when the country is going through such a serious wave. And this applies to all congregations. This applies to elections in West Bengal. This applies to the many, many rallies that the Prime Minister...
No, why are you making it a center state issue?
And there...
Why are you making it a center state issue? Atishi, why are you making it a center state issue? Yesterday, Atishi, your own counsel,
let us be very clear.
Your own counsel in the Delhi High Court, Rahul Mehra said, we are working in tandem with the center. They are like the big brother. Yesterday, the center was the big brother. Why is there politics today?
We are ready to work in tandem. Ask the Haryana Chief Minister, why is he stopping the supplies of oxygen? Why is it that at the plants where production of oxygen is happening, the Haryana Chief Minister sends his officers and says कि यहाँ से दिल्ली oxygen नहीं जाएगी? Please answer that. What kind of politics is that?
I've been saying since yesterday. Yeah, 1 second. Yes, Gaurav, but 1 minute. I just want to get a word in from Athawale who's watching this. He has to go. So before Ramdas Athawale goes, let me put the question to Ramdas Athawale जी. आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? इस पर आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? सेंटर स्टेट की जो पॉलिटिक्स चल रही है, गौरव भाटिया, बिफोर यू, ये जो सेंटर स्टेट की पॉलिटिक्स शुरू हो गई, ये हर जगह हो रही, इस पर आपको कुछ कहना है?
हाँ, मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ जो कोविड का मामला इतना बढ़ रहा है, यहाँ कोई सेंट्रल और स्टेट का विवाद नहीं होना चाहिए। हम सब लोग मिलकर इसका सामना करने की आवश्यकता है। जिस तरह आपने बोला कि टिकरी बॉर्डर पर इतने महीनों से आंदोलन चल रहा है, वहाँ से जो हरियाणा से ऑक्सीजन आने वाला है उसके लिए मतलब रोक भी पैदा हो रही है। लेकिन हरियाणा के मुख्यमंत्री जी ने बताया है कि भाई पहले हरियाणा के पेशेंट को ऑक्सीजन दिया जाएगा, बाकी बचा हुआ ऑक्सीजन दिल्ली में भेजेंगे, बाकी के जगह पर भेजेंगे, उसमें कोई गलत नहीं है। पहले अपने स्टेट के लिए तो ऑक्सीजन देने की आवश्यकता है और जो बचेगा ऑक्सीजन वो भी देने की आवश्यकता है। लेकिन ये टिकरी बॉर्डर का आंदोलन कब तक चलेगा, कितने महीने तक चलेगा? ये कोविड का मामला है तो ऐसे वक्त पर आंदोलन खत्म करने की आवश्यकता थी। हम किसानों के साथ है। किसानों के लिए जो 3 बिल पास हुए, कानून बने हैं, तो कानून पीछे लेना चाहिए। इसी तरह का आग्रह करके इतने महीनों से आंदोलन चल रहा है और ये मतलब कोविड को बढ़ाने के लिए मतलब इस आंदोलन का भी मतलब ऐसा उपयोग हो रहा है, ऐसा मुझे लगता है। तो आंदोलन रोकना चाहिए और ऑक्सीजन लाने वाले जो टैंकर है उसके लिए मदद करने की आवश्यकता है। अर्नब जी,
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद रामदास अठावले जी। आतिशी, I want to ask you once again, one needs to be very, very circumspect about politics, and this time it's an easy option. You should avoid it.
So
You should avoid it.
I would like to reach out to everyone who is congregating in any part of the country today. The entire health infrastructure of this country is on the verge of collapse. Why? Because COVID is spreading at such a rapid rate.
Guess
Why
on the
have
left, please,
any
yeah.
rallies? Why have any political
Yes,
rallies?
window on the left,
Why
please,
are
yeah.
election rallies still being allowed in Bengal? This is a question we have to ask and answer throughout the country. And I would appeal to the central government
Why any? You see
we should stop,
why
we
any?
should stop
Why
all
any?
the large congregations across.
Why any? I'm not talking all large. I'm talking about one specific one on which you have control, Gaurav Bhatia.
About all. You should ask.
No. Of course we ask about all.
Bhatia has to respond.
Of course we've asked about all. I'm asking about one that's on your border.
Why Haryana Chief Minister is stopping the supply of.
You are harping on one point. Gaurav, listen. Let's settle this once and for all. Has the Haryana Chief Minister held back oxygen supplies to Delhi?
Haryana Home Minister.
Yeah, whatever. It's the same government. Has the Haryana Home Minister held back oxygen supplies to Delhi, viewers? And as we are bringing you this broadcast, let me tell you a very important hearing is going on in the Delhi High Court on this very subject. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta has joined the link there. The High Court has taken a very strong position. These are urgent hearings. There are 2 High Courts hearing matters. Bombay High Court, Nagpur bench pulling up the Maharashtra government in a special sitting at 8 p.m. High Court in Delhi also having a special sitting. Now, Gaurav, let me settle this once and for all. I mean, states can't be fighting like this. You have the Aam Aadmi Party national spokesperson accusing your government in Haryana of blocking oxygen supplies to Delhi. You need to set the record straight on this.
Now, Arnab, let me set the record straight. I know that the spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party will not listen to me. She should listen to Arvind Kejriwal at least. Arvind Kejriwal just 3 days ago was asked by reporters, what is the status of beds and oxygen in Delhi? This is what he said, 10-second clip.
आज की डेट में हमारे पास सफिशिएंट ऑक्सीजन। मैं देख रहा हूँ देश के कई हिस्सों में कई स्टेट्स में ऑक्सीजन की कमी है। दिल्ली में ऑक्सीजन की कमी नहीं है। We are good on oxygen.
दिल्ली में ऑक्सीजन और बेड की कमी नहीं है. We are good on oxygen is my first point. Second, if the center is not cooperating, just to please, Acha, did I speak in between? Did I speak in between? Did I speak in between?
You are obfuscating.
See, 1 wicket is down.
Answer the question.
All 3 wickets will be down soon.
Why the Haryana?
Please ask her to be quiet.
Haryana Home Minister
I will only speak when my turn comes. I will not speak like this.
IAS
I don't debate like this.
Asking them to prevent.
One minute. Atishi, to be fair, the BJP spokesperson heard you in entirety. You hear him in entirety. You made one accusation 4 times at the start of the debate. He's responding to you. I have a huge number of people responding to this debate tonight.
He is not responding.
Well, that is your view. That is your view. Now, Atishi.
He answered
Atishi,
IAS officers and prevent supply of oxygen to Delhi. Answer this.
Atishi, he played a clip saying there were enough oxygen supplies. What's the date of that clip, Gaurav? Let me ask you. What is the date of that clip? You also need to reveal the date.
4 days back, Arnab. 3-4 days
So can the situation change in 3-4 days, Gaurav?
17th, 18th.
Can the situation not change in 3 or 4 days?
Okay, now my second point.
No, you didn't answer my question. Can the situation not change in 3 or 4 days?
So, Arnab, then my question to you would be, a chief minister is so irresponsible that he cannot even evaluate what is the need of the bed and the oxygen for the next after 4 days. But they expect the prime minister to be a soothsayer and then plan 1 year in advance.
We want to know why
is this?
Haryana
What
Home
is this?
Minister
Is this
stopped
not
the supply of
hypocrisy? I am
oxygen
not
to
done.
Delhi.
Arnab,
Why did the
I am talking to
Haryana
you.
Home
I don't
Minister
want to be
stop the
interrupted,
supply
please.
of
No, 1
oxygen to
second.
Delhi? Forget.
Please.
One
Arnab,
minute.
I have to
One
make
minute.
my points. This is not
All
fair.
right, all right, all right, all right. I know it's a pitch debate. 1 minute, 1 minute. We've got enough time. Gaurav, complete your point. Atishi, wait a minute.
Yes.
I know the debate is very delicately poised. Just wait a minute. Everyone, there are 4 panelists, 5 panelists who have not spoken a word yet. Yes.
Yes. So first wicket down, now the second wicket. The allegation is the center doesn't cooperate, but the oxygen supply to Delhi has just been increased. Again, Arnab, not fair. You know, either you just give me some time. I just need a minute or two. Please. अरे प्लीज अर्नब ये तू मैं तो नहीं है ना. They failed miserably. ये तो लंगर लगा रहे थे. I want to get it.
Atishi, I'm requesting you a second time on the debate. Please. You know, we waste time in this. We can make our points and then move on. Yes, please. Just 1 minute.
Why doesn't he answer the question? Why doesn't
He's heard your question.
about the Haryana Home Minister?
I have my own way of answering.
He's talking about
I'm
the
not
billion
subject
other
to
things.
what you
He's not
say.
answering
Please.
what
Please
the
ask her
Haryana
to
Home
relax,
Minister
Arnab.
is
Please.
saying.
I'll be quiet now. I don't want such a
Atishi,
debate.
now come on. Come on, come on, Atishi. Third time I'm requesting
you
you.
have no answer on this question.
Third time I'm requesting you.
Human thing that
Thank
Haryana
you,
Home
thank you.
Minister has done. That's why you have to be
Thank
quiet.
you, thank you, thank you. No, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, so
first wicket down, now second wicket will be down soon. The allegation is that the central government is not cooperating just 2 hours back.
Allegation is not against the central
Please,
government.
Arnab, I think, you know, she is...
okay, now, Atishi, now, Atishi. This is
She
the
can't
4th
debate
time that
tonight.
you've
She's a very
intervened.
weak player.
I'm
Get
requesting
somebody
you.
better, please.
We are wasting time.
Get somebody
We
better,
can't stop
please.
others mid-sentence. He heard you in the first 10 minutes. So he will now. How
Please
can you
get-
presume whether he
get
will
a
or
better
won't?
person to
When you
debate
stop
with.
him after 4 words, you are stopping him after 4 words. It's a very important debate. I cannot tell you, Atishi, how many people are tuned on. We have calls coming into our newsroom. Please, bear with me. Bear with me. Gaurav, complete your point. Now, there are 7 panelists waiting. Please.
I understand. You can go to them, Arnab. I only need a minute. 1 minute of uninterrupted time. That's all. I assure you. I'll make all my points within 60 seconds. So, first wicket down. Now, second wicket would be down again. Second wicket would be down because Arvind Kejriwal just 2 hours back thanked central government has increased Delhi's quota of oxygen. We are very grateful to the center for this. That is when Arvind Kejriwal himself was short-sighted. He did not even requisition the oxygen. Until 1 week back, he was saying there is enough oxygen. Third, just 4 days back, Arvind Kejriwal did a press conference and he said, I am getting all the cooperation from the central government. This is what Arvind Kejriwal said. So the third wicket is down. And I would like to tell them that the central government is ensuring 17,000 metric ton reaches the 12 worst affected states. And I must also tell the viewers that Oxygen Express trains have been started and more than 1,000 lives have been saved. Delhi also. Let me give you the numbers. Please be quiet and don't be rude. If I ask you, लंगर लगा रहे थे आप, अब आप बोलिए, अब मैं आपके साथ डिबेट करता हूँ खुले में. सुनिए, लंगर लगा रहे थे, जो लंगर लगा रहे थे, किसानों को बुला रहे थे, वो किसान हैं. अब मैं करता हूँ आपके साथ डिबेट. आप बताइए, दिल्ली की पॉपुलेशन कितनी है? 2 करोड़. यूपी की पॉपुलेशन कितनी है? 23 करोड़. दिल्ली में डेथ कितनी है? बताइए जरा.
हरियाणा होम मिनिस्टर
You know,
आपके पास हरियाणा के होम मिनिस्टर के शेमलेस एक्ट का जवाब नहीं है. उनके पास
कितना एडवर्टाइजिंग में रुपया खर्च किया है ना,
आपके
उसका
पास
आधा अगर कर दिया होता तो बहुत स्थिति बेहतर होती. And let me tell you, Haryana is the state which is supplying oxygen to Delhi, and these trucks are being stocked by the so-called farmers that Arvind Kejriwal was supporting और जिनके लिए आप लंगर कर रहे थे. हिम्मत है आज अरविंद केजरीवाल की बाहर आके बोले कि किसान नहीं हो तुम लोग.
लेने से बोल दिया. ये मणिपाल हॉस्पिटल बोल रहा है, ये मैक्स हॉस्पिटल बोल रहा है, ये अपोलो.
Now you answer me. 1 minute. Now you answer me. I have to go to the other panelists. Atishi, 1 minute. Atishi, tell me. Atishi, 1 minute. 1 minute, Gaurav. Atishi, say clearly tonight on the... No. I I want you, as the national spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, to make an official statement on my program that the super spreader event led by Rakesh Tikait should be dissolved immediately. I want you to tell everyone at the Tikri border to go home.
Answer that question.
I want you to tell all those who are going to the Tikri border to go home. Our lives are at stake, Atishi. Do not be myopic on this.
शर्म नहीं आती इन लोगों को आके बातें करते हैं
As to why Haryana home.
Do you know the possible consequence?
Haryana is the state.
Do you know the possible consequence of the Tikri border event?
Do you even know that?
Shameless Haryana home.
30,000 people
thank the Prime Minister
in one place. You know what it will do for the spread of COVID for the third wave?
Not have oxygen. And yet,
How can you avoid my question on the super spreader event?
मोहल्ला क्लिनिक कहाँ है?
you are
बातें कर देंगे मैं हूँ
I repeatedly.
मैं हूँ ना जी
Now,
शर्म नहीं आती आपको
hospitals are filling up, but these so-called farmers refuse to budge.
You are only here to
The
help.
death toll is mounting.
Gaurav Bhatia.
But you're still supporting Rakesh Tikait. He's shrugging his shoulders.
Not make you right. That would not wash you off your sins.
Stop the oxygen supply. Gaurav Bhatia.
You have to answer my question.
If you're hard of hearing,
You
then go back to Arvind Kejriwal and get yourself treated. My point is simple. Arvind Kejriwal is thanking the Prime Minister for increasing the supply. Arvind Kejriwal said, I'm getting
Atishi, you have to. Today the country is fighting COVID and a war footing.
beds and oxygen in Delhi.
Today, common citizens, frontline workers, the forces, everybody is coming together to fight the situation. But you tell me, Atishi, you have not, Atishi, you have to answer my question.
You will remain in Congress.
You have not taken a position, Atishi, on the dangerous situation in the NCR. You have not taken a position on the situation on the NCR border in Tikri. Is this time for marches in Tikri when the city is under lockdown?
If they can take
Hospitals
a position
are under
against the
strain.
political protesting farmers.
You take a position on, I'll show the pictures full frame.
Arnab, this super
Ishkaran, Mamta Kale wants to say something to you. Mamta Kale, what would you say to this? आप आतिशी को बोलिए, वो सुनने को तैयार नहीं है. Mamta Kale जी बोलिए. Mamta Kale wants to say something to you, Atishi.
Yes, thank you so much, Mr. Goswami. I am debating with Atishi ji after a long time. I have heard you enough, Atishi ji. Would request you to kindly hear me out patiently for 60 seconds. I just want to remind you, Mr. Kejriwal, and the entire Aam Aadmi Party government about your pet and favorite project called Mohalla Clinic. In 2015, Mr. Kejriwal had said they have already made 400 Mohalla Clinic, and by end of 2020, you all had promised Delhi to make 1,000 Mohalla Clinics at world-class level. It would be up and running. Where are those Mohalla clinics? Show me at least one Mohalla clinic which you have converted.
Ravi Srivastava is on the debate. Ravi.
Clinic. If you could show me one,
Ravi.
I'll be grateful. You guys have been just singing praises and not giving the correct and proper answer.
Are we discussing oxygen or we are discussing Mohalla
We
clinic?
are discussing the current
Do you know what are we talking today? What are we discussing today?
I am trying to
Mamta
help
Kale,
people
what are we talking today? You tell me fast. Arey, what are you talking? Where the Mohalla clinic? We are talking about oxygen. Madam, go and take some oxygen from outside. Go and take some oxygen from outside. You should know. What are we discussing today?
You should know that you are politicizing the whole issue. We are going through such a huge pandemic, and you all have come here to sing praises for that chief minister who cannot do anything about their people. Did you see the pictures yesterday at the ISBTs at the Delhi border? The migrant laborers again have decided to run away from Delhi, and the Delhi government, Ms. Atishi, the deputy CM, the health minister could not do anything about it.
As of now,
Why don't you talk about it?
I think the Solicitor General, Mamta and Ravi, as we are telling you, as we are bringing you this broadcast, the High Court is hearing this matter on oxygen supplies. And calm down. The Solicitor General Tushar Mehta has said that whatever attempts are required to be made 1 minute. The Solicitor General has said in the Delhi High Court that a very senior cabinet minister was in touch with the Delhi Chief Minister to ensure that oxygen tankers. And he has said that it's technically not possible to switch on and switch off to make industries into oxygen-making plants. Industries take some time to shut down. We request patience. The Prime Minister spoke of Dhairya yesterday, and I think we are being irresponsible here. Pankaj Sharma is on the debate with Saurabh, and Ishkaran is also on the debate. The central government is saying oxygen is on the way. The urgency has been met. And, bottom line is this, let me, besides reporting this, real time, let me just say one thing today, Ishkaran, yes, coming to Ishkaran, and Pankaj are on the debate. My concern is, I am just saying we took a position on what was happening at the Kumbh. And we said, not just we at Republic, the Prime Minister said. And eventually, the Swamis, many akharas responded, reciprocated. And the Kumbh was cut down. I want to know what is the big deal about this Rakesh Tikait event. Viewers, once more, not to scare you, I want to show you the pictures. Just see the pictures. We're talking of social distancing. We're talking about our children going to hospital. We're talking about a drastic situation in Delhi. And look at this. Super spreader march. No social distancing, no masks. There are crowds right outside this national capital under lockdown due to a pandemic. Hospitals breaking down under the strain. Oxygen is not reaching on time because of these blockades. And they say the blockades will continue. They say we don't give a damn to people dying. We don't give a damn. And I'll tell you one more thing, Ishkaran. Look at these hypocrites, all the people who are doing 24/7 reporting on the Kumbh, right? Today they are giving traffic updates on the farmers' protest. They are not raising the issue. They're not doing a campaign on it. Double standards of the Latvian media as well. Ishkaran.
Arnab, we are in such a sorry situation where Max Hospital, which does not belong to any political party, has to go to the High Court. That is the situation we are in. They are not happy going to the High Court, but they say that in 3 hours the oxygen will run out. Anything which contributes to that. And with the farmer protest going on there, I would just make a very simple suggestion. Even if it's a political fight, they should not do a rally right now. Have 4 or 5 people there as a symbolic presence and don't crowd the borders, because it is end of the day, your families also as farmers. Your families will be affected, Delhi will be affected, everything would be affected. Can we for 1 day or 2 days not do politics? We have politics in war, we have politics in peace. Can we not have politics in pandemic at least? That is not something very big. Do a status quo, do a ceasefire for some time, and afterwards, whatever you are doing, you can do. That is the problem here. Unfortunately, they would say there is election happening in West Bengal. Why do you have a rally? Somebody would say, why are religious festival happening? In all this circle, civilians will die. And also people involved in this will die. So can we please be sensible and ourselves not do any program, any rally, any event which can be a super spreader as per the medical definition, not per as the definition of political convenience. That is not too much to ask for. Please follow the medical guidelines, what constitutes a super spreader event, and don't do that.
So,
and the farmers are requesting you, please, if you want to be there, have a symbolic presence, but do not do events. They don't serve any purpose. They will put your life in danger and everybody's life in danger.
Okay, so explain.
Why do you want to risk people's life?
No, watch it. Pankaj or Ketan, who's coming? Pankaj, are you coming? Ketan and Saurabh. Saurabh, this hypocrisy is toxic, isn't it? It's completely toxic hypocrisy. These people.
Absolutely. This is criminal. The central government, this is criminal to have show the magnanimity this kind of a rally and repeat the farm laws for now. And in all possibility, the protesters will go. When COVID is
So if electioneering, if rallying during the election is a fundamental right, then also protest is a fundamental right. So while we are targeting the farmers, then in the same way, we should also hold the central government responsible.
This is the time to save lives. This is the time to get oxygen.
Absolutely. And so if electioneering is not justified, see, no amount of crowding is justified. And so the central government should show the magnanimity of repealing the farm laws.
I will speak against these loopholes as well.
The farm laws should be repealed and the central government should show the magnanimity in the lines of what the court has indicated.
Court should intervene to get these
Sorry.
opens out. The
what I
time
saw
to save
in the
people's
earlier
lives
part
is
of
more
the
important than these
the Aam Aadmi
rallies
Party
on
as well
senseless
as the
events.
BJP,
Political
they are
parties
just,
need to
trading
unite.
charges with each
Atishi,
other. But
both
go
you
on
and
any
Gaurav
social
need to be
media
speaking in
timeline.
one voice
Go on
to make
any
sure,
community
condemn
group.
these people
The
who are
groups are
congregating on
filled
Delhi
with
border
requests.
to
They
create
are
a
asking
super
for
spreader
oxygen
event.
cylinders for their dear ones.
People
So
are dying.
clearly
This
there
is the
a
time to
breakdown.
save lives, not
I
play
don't care
petty
what the
politics.
central government says or the state government.
What
will do.
breakdown are you talking about?
There is
Are you
a
condemning
health
these
breakdown.
people?
There is a
Have the
complete
courage
breakdown.
to stand up
we
and
have to
condemn these
rise
people who
above
are
our
Can I just show
congregating.
the shots of the event?
They are not any. They are not advocating the interest of farmers.
We have to
They are running
advocate
their own
there is a
political
breakdown and we have
agenda.
to act accordingly.
They are being highly
No.
irresponsible
Could there
here.
be? Could there
They're
be
playing
anything?
havoc with the nation.
Thank you, Ketan. Thank you, Ketan. A small intervention from my side now. My side, a small intervention. 1 minute, Sujata. Don't be in a hurry.
These people should be held
Don't
up.
be in a hurry. I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you. Sujata, listen. You have a problem with Modi, right? You cannot win an election. You need to find some other ways to bring down Narendra Modi. You do it later, Let this problem pass. You have to understand, like people like you, people like this, what is his name? He keeps tweeting all the time. Ramachandra Guha, like a troll. He accuses Narendra Modi's handling of the COVID pandemic. But he says he's a great supporter of the protests. Will this Ramachandra Guha person put out a tweet saying, stop the super spreader event? Stop the super spreader event. Don't allow 30,000 people to congregate at the Tikri border. No, you may not be a spokesperson for him, but you also have the same kind of toxic hypocrisy all the time.
And vote on Priyanka Vadra today.
I have toxic
Again, lying.
hypocrisy. It is
And
your
then get-
Yes, you
hypocrisy
do.
which I'm seeing today. Tell me, Arnab, who is responsible for this congregation? The pandemic was used by the Prime Minister to bring
People
in
like
these
you.
three laws.
For
You expect
60,000
state
deaths in
governments to take a
Maharashtra?
stand now. It is the
Health is
center
a state
which has to
subject.
take
Can
back
you
the
answer
law.
that?
And
Who is
also
responsible
remember that
for
it is
60,000
one
deaths
person.
in
Everything is
Maharashtra?
centered
The
around him. Should he not be taking decisions now?
Vasuli
Where is he?
Sarkar,
He's not the
headed
rally
by
minister.
the
I am
Shiv Sena
ashamed that at
leader,
this
Uddhav
time people are
Thackeray.
not getting oxygen.
Now,
And the
I ask
center is
you,
blaming the
how dare
state.
Priyanka Vadra
The
Gandhi
BJP
lie
spokespersons
today
are doing that. We need to
about
come together.
the
We need
export
educated
of
people.
oxygen?
We need experts. We
You
need
know,
a
there is a
right-thinking
clarification.
government. The government
Priyanka
is all
Vadra
scattered
झूठ
away.
बोल
They're
रही थी,
only
झूठी
going
Priyanka Vadra.
over
You
over
know,
who? Over the Prime Minister.
the
The Prime
website
Minister is
said
nowhere to be seen.
that
The Prime Minister
they
appears
were
on
wrong.
television.
Should
He is
Priyanka
my
Vadra
Prime Minister
Gandhi
also, you forget.
not
The government is
apologize?
mine too. He might
You
belong
ask-
to the BJP, but
you
the
ask her
government is
to
mine too.
apologize?
So am
You
I
will
not
not.
responsible
Gaurav Bhatia.
for what
Can
my
you hear each other,
government
please?
does? My government
Oxygen
Sujata, will you not
wastage that is
speak over
taking
each other,
place
please?
in Maharashtra.
I am asking you a question.
No,
1 minute.
Arnab,
Gaurav,
can I
1 minute.
just quickly
Gaurav, no,
come to
1
the
minute.
point?
Gaurav, let me come in. Gaurav, 1 minute. Let me make a point. Let me make a point. 1 minute, Sujata, listen. First of all, calm down. Question is this. When Kumbh happened, all of you people said, are Hindus immune to COVID? Do you think Hindus will not get COVID?
Well, I didn't say that. But I
No,
answer that.
why- I know. No, I know some blue ticks who have said that. Are Hindus not going to get COVID?
Let the blue tick say it. I am a common
No. Do you think Hindus are not immune to COVID? Now I'm asking you, are Andolan GBs immune to COVID? Pankaj, tell me. Tell Mamta Kale, are Andolan GBs, are the 30,000 Andolan GBs who are coming to the Tikri border sent by the Vadra Congress, I suspect, are they immune to COVID? Tell me. Don't shout.
Nobody is immune to
Can I
COVID.
take my point?
Pankaj is on the debate. Pankaj first. Pankaj and one person on the other side. Thank you. I want to hear.
Yeah,
Pankaj.
Mr. Goswami.
Pankaj.
Yes, Mr. Goswami, your basic issue is the shortage of oxygen. Now, how can you shift the blame of shortage of oxygen to farmers? Is it not true that 9 months were available to the government between the first and second wave?
Pandemic. Sir, we are talking about
pandemic,
this pandemic, and we all need to responsibly behave and understand that we can't be, becoming human born and becoming carrier of COVID and going around. Can you entire Congress and the Delhi government come out and ask these so-called farmers and these so-called farmer leaders to go back and not create this havoc at the Delhi border?
BJP spokesperson Gaurav Bhatia, you must answer to the question raised by Atishi. What your Haryana government is doing, and this is very unfortunate that the union
as far as Mr. Kejriwal is concerned, then what happened within 24 hours? What happened within 24 hours? Why Mr. Kejriwal comes out and lies? Why he comes out and lies every time? Till 24 hours back, he said that we have enough beds, we have enough oxygen. In less than 24 hours, he changed his color. He started requesting the Prime Minister of India, help me, save me. And why can't these guys come out and ask these guys to go back? Is this the time to protest? Is this the time to protest or get united to fight against this pandemic? What are you How can you be so irresponsible, Mr.
Pankaj, 1 minute. Pankaj, 1 minute. I want 1 minute. Pankaj, listen. I want to get Ishkaran back. My elementary point is this, and Atishi asked this earlier. He said that let's not talk about what may happen. I want to talk about what may happen because it is the thought which is uppermost in people's minds right now. We want to talk about what may happen. We are concerned about the future. And I just want to make one point, 1 minute, please, Pankaj, and you can come with Gaurav. My concern is, will this super spreader, massive corona bomb kind of event happening not make things worse? We're already collapsing on a health infrastructure. And tomorrow, you want a third wave to hit Delhi. Pankaj, can you not take a principled position that Rakesh Tikait and all of you who are standing there with him, all these thousands of people being sent from Congress-ruled Punjab, go back? For the sake, who will take responsibility if there's a third wave in Delhi? You tell me. Will Yogendra Yadav take responsibility? Has Yogendra Yadav issued one statement on the possibility of COVID explosion because of the Tikri event? Or are we not supposed to talk about these questions? Do you not worry about it? Is there a guarantee it won't get worse? I'm telling you, it will get worse if this Tikri event carries on. You people didn't listen to me when I said Shaheen Bagh is also dangerous in a time of COVID. No, I want him to answer. I want everybody who's supporting the super spreader event to answer. Now we are having a tough time getting the oxygen supplies for Delhi. You tell me one thing. Suppose...
Farmers are the super spreaders. Farmers are the super spreaders.
For God's sake, that virus does not discriminate between people's occupations. You're being silly.
Election rallies.
Also, my God.
Are we not witnessing our Prime Minister cracking jokes?
This is a permanent trend. Okay, Gaurav will listen. Gaurav. So you won't, right? Okay.
People are crying. They are screaming for help.
Let me play
and my Prime Minister is laughing. He's singing.
Can you be quiet now? Arnab, please, can we get uninterrupted time? Or are we here to shout and heckle or get heckled? Please.
First you answer
I will answer if you be quiet, Mr. Whoever you are, the unofficial spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, please be quiet and take the answer if you have the courage to listen to the answer. Okay? I will tell you, the truck that you were talking about was stopped at the border. And after the central government's intervention, the supply to Delhi was made. And do you know where this supply comes from? Arnab, this fact everyone should know. How the central government is ensuring that every state gets its quota if there is no discrimination. This comes from Haryana and the capacity is 240 metric ton a day, out of which Delhi will get 105 and Punjab 20 and Haryana 108. So, sir, I must tell you, the oxygen that is being produced in Haryana is being supplied to Delhi. Do you know why? Because we have a Prime Minister who cares for everyone. Now, second, ये डकैत नहीं, ये टिकैत नहीं, डकैत है। मैं क्यों कहता हूँ मालूम है? आपको हैवान और राक्षस नहीं दिखाई देंगे, लेकिन इनको आप बीच में नहीं बोलिए, आप में नहीं है सर, आपको नहीं कह रहा हूँ मैं, आपको नहीं कह रहा, आप चुप हो जाइए, आपको नहीं कह रहा, आप चुप होइए, मैं दूसरा पॉइंट कर रहा हूँ, बीच में इंटरप्ट मत करिए। You know, they were talking about repealing the acts. Arnab, they forget. The 3 acts have been stayed by the Supreme Court. When the acts are stayed, then why are they protesting? Second, why are they protesting on public road? The Supreme Court has said there is no right to protest on public road. Third, टिकैत ने खुद तो टीका लगवा लिया. इन लोगों की कोई चिंता नहीं है. Fourth, ये लोग, these people are not human beings. They don't care for anybody. Because टिकैत today said, दिल्ली की बीमारी हम घर लेके क्यों जाए?
झूठ तो बोलेंगे.
झूठी प्रियंका वाड्रा की प्रवक्ता प्रियंका वाड्रा को जाके कहिएगा माफी मांगे. केवल नकारात्मक राजनीति. What has Maharashtra done? 60,000 deaths in Maharashtra, the unfortunate deaths. The central government is ensuring all the support to Maharashtra. आप तो वसूली कर रहे हैं. शर्म नहीं आती आपको? Chief Minister Relief Fund मिला more than 750 crores. Ask them, Arnab, can they answer how they utilize the CM?
No, I have
They will not be able to. बताइए, चलिए बताइए. I give you the time. 750 crores to Maharashtra. Tell us.
Should give the solution. Where is he?
I will give the answer. For PM Care Fund, 2,000 crores for ventilator, 1,000 crores for migrant laborers.
Why doesn't he communicate? Why does he want everything centralized to himself?
You have already passed the buck.
Needs to be together. But the Prime Minister divided the country. So we are divided to the states.
Gaurav and Ketan.
They have not even utilized 25% of that.
No, I'd like to step in. I'd like to step in. You see, I'd like to step in and of course, one minor point. One minor point. Ketan, 1 minute. Ketan, one minute. See, listen, 1 minute, Ketan. The constructive contribution of the Vadra family is that it first spread lies on sponsoring migrant travel, then it tried to give a communal angle to hospital beds in Gujarat, and now it is spreading fake news about the export of oxygen increasing during 2020-2021.
That is the most important thing. She lied today. She said we are exporting oxygen when it is not medical oxygen. When she apologized to the country.
Because this government is
I'm not asking.
Are we showing the openness of our heart to admit that the situation on the ground is pathetic? To put things in perspective,
I'm sorry, but
the messages are replete with family members
of our entire country with 10% population has happened.
One-upmanship and can
Supreme Court has stated the 3 acts. Why don't you answer what is the need to protest right now? Human life is more important or the right to protest? Tell me. Human lives are more important or the right to protest? Tell me.
In another program, a BJP spokesperson said in the same program that electioneering is our right. Holding rallies is our right. So we cannot have one fundamental right more important than other. See, the base point is
one minute. The main point is sort of on the left. The main point is that the state governments are looking for a scapegoat. Calm down. The main point is the state governments.
Absolutely.
Who till yesterday were... 1 minute, let me complete. Till yesterday, they were putting major hoardings and advertisements saying, we've done a great job in the fight against COVID. The moment the situation goes south, they blame the center. They look for a scapegoat. Till recently, Saurabh, these were the same people, Saurabh. Same people who said, we've done the job, the center did nothing. Absolutely. The moment the situation goes south, Bhupesh Baghel of Chhattisgarh says, the center did not give us any alert.
They should be overhauling their health bureaucracy. The Chief Minister, both Mr. Arvind Kejriwal and any other Chief Minister who's getting misled should be overhauling their health bureaucracy because you're playing havoc with people's lives. People are dying without oxygen. For God's sake, stop doing politics here. This is the issue of life and death. This is the time when politicians have to unite. If there is a problem, fix it. But allow the oxygen to come in and haul up these people like tickets who are taking people's lives. They have no right to protest. People's lives overtakes everything else. This is the time of a national crisis. Do you realize?
People are dying every day in these states.
Pankaj, just hold on.
So
Hold your thoughts. Please. People are dying because
Ishkar.
Please don't mislead the people of the
Ishkar.
country. You should not mislead the people of the country. Don't play politics.
I appeal.
Arnab, it's a simple question.
We have
Arnab,
to say
it's a
lies
simple
here.
question which the
Ishkaran.
Delhi government
Ishkaran.
must answer. Arnab, I have a very simple question. Let us not go around in circles. If any event will lead to a potential super spreader, will lead to increase in infection, will lead to a situation where our system has already collapsed. I'm not even blaming Delhi government that the system has collapsed because of you or not, but the system has collapsed. Do you want to have any event which will lead to further misery and crisis? And if not, then for your political benefits, can't you tell the farmers, please have a symbolic presence? Let us not even make a decision whether you have won or lost the fight. Just have a symbolic presence till the time COVID is over, and don't do rallies. Just have 5 people sitting there, not thousands of people. Is that too difficult for the government to say? What is the problem in that? Just have a pause button till COVID is over. After COVID is over, whatever is happening, you can do. Because that would be a political problem. Right now, it is a health problem. It is not a political problem. Please understand that. It is not to ask too much, to just have a symbolic presence, to hit a pause. I am not saying doing anything else, so that Delhi is saved, so that your own families are saved. What of the thousands of farmers there? Their families also need to be saved. And after the crisis is over, you can resume or not resume, or whatever happens, you will see. But just pause for COVID. That is a common sense thing.
But for that, we need communication. We need the government.
No, I request everyone, the clubhouse journals, the Latins media, all of them to question what's happening at the Tikri and the Singhu border. To question what's happening at the Tikri and the Singhu border. The whole country is outraged, ladies and gentlemen. We cannot afford a third wave. The second wave is bad enough. On the other side tonight, remember all those people who said that Covaxin is bad for you? Just go around asking how many of these cynics themselves took the Covaxin shot in a few minutes.